Welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, where I'm into the realm of food today. Okay, so I decided I'm going to bake something. And I have a packet of cream cheese, which has been haunting me for a couple of days because I know it needs used up. And I'm kind of lazy, but I wanted to do something. So I realized we had graham crackers that we bought a couple of grocery trips ago. So I'm not even crumbling them a lot. We're going to see how this does. I took a can of sweetened condensed milk and 3 eggs, teaspoon of vanilla, and the cream cheese, and whipped them up. And I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to top it with the other half of the cherries from dessert a few nights back, so nothing goes to waste. We'll see how this turns out. I don't know, I think it worked. The crust didn't totally come up to the top, but that's graham crackers up there. Some of it I think stayed down. I probably put too much in, so it was not enough room, but it sure smells good, and it sure looks good. So we'll see when I dish it out. I'm going to heat up the cherries a little bit and put it all together. Okay, guys, this turned out so good. We're going to get in here. You can see there's some crust there. A lot of it floated to the top. It is definitely a cross between a custard and a cheesecake. It would be good on a regular pie crust, but this, with the cherries on top or any other fruit on top, it was so good. I had to stop my husband from eating more. Thank you so very much for being a part of Cindy's Artistic World today. Please give us a like, follow, or subscribe.